Welcome back. Today we are going to compare two prominent Solana based trading bots, Bloombot and NovaBot. Let's delve into their features, performance, and fee structures to help you determine which trading bot is best for you. So we'll start off with Bloombot, which is a Telegram based trading bot designed for the Solana blockchain, offering a suite of features to enhance trading efficiency. Those features would include sniping, which enables rapid purchases of newly launched tokens, allowing traders to capitalize on early opportunities. AFK mode automates trading strategies, executing trades on behalf of the user without the need for manual intervention. Copy trading allows users to mirror the trades of experienced traders, facilitating learning and potential profit replication. Now, if we're talking about fees, Bloombot charges a standard 1% fee per transaction, which can be reduced to 0.9% through referrals. Now, NovaBot is also a Telegram based trading bot on the Solana platform as well, providing tools for swift and strategic trading. Its features also include sniping modules, which offer specialized sniping functionalities, including monitoring specific tickers and developer wallets, as well as sniping mint addresses. Copy trading, again, which enables users to replicate trades, and limit orders, which allow setting preferred buy or sell orders, executing trades automatically when market conditions meet specified criteria. So, in summary, both Bloombot and NovaBot offer robust features tailored for the Solana trading ecosystem. Bloombot emphasizes user-friendly automation with features like AFK mode and transparent fee structures. NovaBot provides advanced sniping capabilities and customizable trading options, appealing to traders seeking specialized tools. Your choice between the two should align with your specific trading preferences and strategies. Thanks for joining us. If you found this helpful, do hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.